Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be making Dalgona coffee. It is a very famous drink and very easy to make. I have been having it every day during this quarantine period because it's a very fun activity for me, and the drink is also very yummy. So let's get started. I will be putting 3 tablespoons of Dorman's granulated instant coffee, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. But of course, you can use any instant coffee that you have in your house.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back.
If you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a whisk. It just takes a bit of time and energy, but it does the job. So I will be using my hand mixer.
I won't look back.
It is now ready, and I have this foamy, very good looking texture. Some people don't whip it this much, so if you want it a bit softer, you don't whip it so much. But if you want thicker than this, you just continue whipping it. But I am okay with this consistency, so I will go ahead and prepare my glasses of milk.
I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault.
I love a lot of coffee, that's why I'm putting a lot of it. There's no measurements really, so if you don't like a lot of coffee, just reduce the amount.
But you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're around.
It is ready now. You can see the difference between the one I have stirred and the one I have not. So I will just put my straw because I love using a straw and enjoy it.
Don't hesitate, pull me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate, pull me back.
It is very yummy. Let me know what you think about Dalgona coffee in the comment section down below. If you have ever tried it, and if you haven't tried it, please try it, follow my recipe, and I am sure that you will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I will appreciate so much. Make sure your notification bell is on so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I upload 2 videos every week. Until next time, bye.